Yes, first point, service ace agad. AC off to a good start.
Tira-tira, nabigyan agad.
Tira-tira, hindi pa siya tapos. Sa mga fast drop.
Cantomasi now serving for Arellano.
Masig. Loot. Diana.
Perez. Tira-tira again.
Diana.
Medyo off time.
Tudlasan.
Cross court. From the back.
Oh, wow.
Good up.
Laika again.
Ah.
De Andres.
Nag-alisa na sila doon.
Servidad ends the rally.
The coach for EAC.
Good play. I think mas binibigyan nila yung opposite kasi knowing na hindi katangkaran si Perez when it comes to blockings. Good pass.
That's a point for the Lizards.
Walang coverage.
Score is 3-1.
Kailangan lang ng coverage nitong EAC. Kasi hindi naman natatapos ang punto sa isang contact. So I think mas kailangan lang nila masipagan. Like that.
Tudlasan.
Four touches for Arellano. Joy Perez now serving for the Lady Generals.
Joy Perez.
Come serve.
Oh.
Service error. Now serving for Arellano. Laika Tudlasan.
Laika on the service line.
Loot. Tossing it up. Oh, not over.
That's a point for Arellano.
Isa zone. Feeling ko isa zone 1 niya dapat pero medyo inapos. Laika Tudlasan with 10 points already.
Sumobra.
Service goes up.
Sumobra lang.
Astoriano on deck to serve for EAC.
Toriado had a good start to this match.
Yes. Good pass.
And Tira-Tira is able to get that point in.
Gising na gising si Tira-Tira.
5 points.
This game.
Now serving for
Iba
the
pa rin
Lady
talaga pag matangkad.
Tira-Tira.
Galing din mag-set ni Tomasig.
Actually. Marunong siya sumilip sa mga blockers ng EAC. Kaya mas nagiging effective yung plays.
Diana, meanwhile, gets this point for the Lady Generals right in between the blockers.
Yes.
Just too much space.
Too much space lang sa middle. Diana with 6 points. Chance ball. Natin kung may execute ng EAC.
Lut, running
Running.
attack para kay Ramos.
No check.
Martinez Ramos.
I think they're challenging. Block touch.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have a coach's challenge for the Arellano Lady Chiefs. Block touch.
Six, 7 daw.
Block touch.
Okay, let's see here. Oh, I think it's too high.
It's too high.
After reviewing the play, block touch is illegal. The challenge is successful.
So, challenge successful.
Point awarded to
Ang
the
dami pa ring
Arellano Lady
energy.
Chiefs. Chris Servidad, now serving for Arellano.
Nice set. Inside.
Erika Muduna.
It hits the line, I think. Line. Good call,
Now
Ren.
serving for EAC, Erika Muduna.
Good serve. Overpass.
Oh, wow. Picked up by Perez there. Domasig.
Ooh,
Pantaleon finds the open spot
Yes.
on the EAC side.
sobrang laki naman. Sobrang laki ng cross court ng EAC that time.
Our score is 8-5 in favor of the Arellano University Lady Chiefs.
First technical.
All right, when we come back, Bianca Tagarda will give us another update from courtside.
Mga kapuso, nagbabalik ang NCAA Season 101 Women's Volleyball Tournament dito lamang sa San Andres Sports Complex. Complacency, ayan nga raw ang nagiging sakit ng Arellano Lady Chiefs sa bawat laro na kanilang hinaharap na tila hirap din silang iwasan o alisin as per Coach Obet Javier. Paulit-ulit lang sinasabi ni Coach Obet sa bawat huddle dito sa laro na ito na ingatan nila mabuti ang bola at mag-isipan nila ang gagawin nila dito. Hindi pwedeng puro bigay lang ng opportunity sa kalaban porkit lamang sila at hindi rin pwedeng nakakalimutan agad nilang mag-focus pagkatapos ng kada puntos. Despite winning the second set, Coach Obet still won't let his guard down. Ika nga niya, hindi pa tayo tapos. Anton and Jack?
Yes, I think good mindset yon as a coach kasi may mga tendency talaga ang mga players minsan na nagre-relax, especially kapag medyo malayo na yung score, ganyan. So,
Now serving for the Lady Chiefs.
maganda na laging nakabantay si coach para gisingin yung ating girls.
Nine to 6 in favor of Arellano. Tudlasan. Cross court. Lut. Oh!
Oh,
Nalunod doon si Mangubat.
Toriado again. with the block. Kabantay siya nun dati. Outside.
Service too long.
Sabi nga ng mga teammates ko, too much muscle. Serve.
Perez.
Medyo na off time, pero still a point. Medyo
Meron
lumabas
ng
ng
siyam na
onte.
puntos si Perez. And tira-tira
Tira-tira.
gets the point for Arellano.
Yes.
6 points in the match for Sam Tira-tira.
Nice set from Domasic.
Now serving for the Lady Chiefs.
Ina-activate niya talaga this set yung mga middles niya.
Oh, Diana cross court for the kill.
Huli yung
Now serving for the Lady Generals.
8 points para kay Cara.
Perez. Another jump serve.
Oh,
Oh. Parang na-miss niya yung contact dun sa jump serve na yan.
Right on to Lasa. Now serving.
Lut.
Oh,
Diana on the drop.
nice. Nakita niya yung opening. Nakita niya ang layo ni Ceballos eh. Nice court awareness.
Now serving for the
Damayan of EAC. Wow, Toriali with 10 points.
Tira-tira. Bondonal. Servidad.
Nice.
What a save by Pablo. Lut. To Ramos.
Good hustle.
score is 11-12.
Nice serve.
Domasic back set to Servidad. Diana picks
Nice
it
save.
up. Lut. Bondonal cross court. Moming with the drop. Dayanan. And Dayanan scores.
At si Toriado ang nag-set ha.
Second
set.
time, 4 points.
The EAC Lady Generals with a
Yes.
3-0 run. They have tied things up.
Oh, medyo offset. Chance ball. Ooh.
And Servidad off the
Servidad.
block. 14 points for Chris Servidad.
Now serving
May
for the
diin.
Lady Chiefs.
Kasi alam niya, medyo pumapalag na ang EAC in this set. Miscommunication from Perez. And Badonal. Medyo miscom lang.
Talagang sinelebrate nila yung ace na yon mula kay Sam Tira-Tira.
Attack error.
Si Damayan medyo nabantayan na that time.
Score is 15, serving 12.
I think kailangan lang ng EAC ng spark plug. Yung isang... Nice. Ito na ang Arellano.
Second technical timeout, single and three.
Chris Servidad is being celebrated here by her schoolmates as Arellano leads EAC 16-12. Papatuloy ang ating live coverage mula pa rin dito sa San Andres Sports Complex sa Manila. This is NCAA Season 101 Women's Volleyball. The Arellano Lady Chiefs with a 16-12 lead and are on the hunt for win number 2 today.
Ang bilis naka-pull away ng Arellano. Kanina all 12 lang, ngayon 17-12 na. Hindi na nakagalaw ang EAC. Tingnan natin kung anong play ang gagawin ng EAC para makakuha ng point.
5 straight points para sa Arellano.
5-0
We
run.
were tied at 12.
Yes, 12 all kanina. Pero
Servidad.
si Servidad, ganado talaga. Net
Oh!
touch.
Yun lang.
Their coach for EAC.
Na timeout.
Timeout, EAC Lady Generals.
Dapat titignan mo sa mo dadalhin yung bola. Maganda ang maganda ang purpose, pero mali ang gawa. No? Kailangan sure ball tayo sa ginagawa natin kanina. Sabi natin, 4 lang ngayon, 6 na. Nahirapan na naman tayo. Distansya ka, paano mo kayo?
Tama si coach, no? Kasi kanina all 12 lang, ngayon 18-12 na. 6 points, medyo malaki na yan. And kailangan talagang kumayod ng EAC para mahabol yung 18 points na yan. And knowing Arellano, syempre, palaban naman tong team na to talaga. Good timeout, coach.
Substitution for EAC.
Denion will
Number
be
7,
replaced
Carolina out. Number 2, May Tequila in. Number 3,
by Tequila.
Joyce out. Number 6, Jade Sayago in. May Tequila now serving for EAC.
Nice serve.
What a set by Domasig. Finding Servidad.
Serve na talaga ang go-to niya today. And why not?
Now serving for the Lady Chiefs, Chris Servidad.
B-pass.
Attack error.
Medyo malalayo yung set. Kaya nahihirapan
Shot
mga mga wing spikers natin. I think it all starts sa receive talaga. Medyo malayo rin kasi yung bigay ng mga receiver. Kaya nahihirapan makaset. Another miss pass.
Damasig tossing it up to Padillon.
Medyo na-off time si Padillon. Parang nauna siya sa bola.
Now serving for the Lady Generals, Fort Tomo.
Nice save. Padillon, babawi.
Dequilla tossing it to Perez.
Medyo malayo pa rin yung mga set from the net.
Padillon, cross court. Dequilla. And Sayago.
Sayago.
Gets the point for EAC.
Yes.
Score is 15-7-20.
Medyo nagkaroon ng confusion sa defense ng Arellano. Good pass. Running. Good save.
Perez.
Oh,
This is going to be a free ball for EAC.
Oh, no.
No, it goes out.
Naka-angle kasi siya sa may banda outside eh. Napasobra lang ng onte.
Over mo lang sa labas. Hindi ba kayo tapos? Hindi ba kayo tapos? Bakit kaya nangyayari? Nagre-relax na naman tayo eh. Nasa muna!
Maririnig mo talaga kay Coach Obet yung sense of urgency kahit 4 points pa lang.
Substitution for EAC, number 14. Fort Tomo.
Ang kailangan pang habulin ng EAC. Pero si Coach, kinigising na agad yung girls.
No serving.
Gusto rin tapusin ni Coach Obet kasi last time na-sweep sila ng San Beda.
Oh. Kita ko nga, sobrang dikit din yung game. Pero breaks of the game na lang talaga yun eh. Sa dulo, oh no.
Just a tough attempt here by Perez.
Yes.
Number 4, Sheila Cafe. Now serving for the Lady Chiefs, Sheila Cafe.
Yung mga moment na ganito, mahalaga talaga na hindi ka susuko. Kasi anything can happen pa eh. Malayo pa yan eh.
Oh, what a set to Mangubat.
Nice set.
Timeout EAC.
Coach Kurt Long calls a timeout.
Ang dry ng laro natin, ano na lang. Sana ba, bawi pa. Bawi pa tayo. Sige, 22-16, kaya pa natin. Sa gitna na daw, sige.
Yung sinasabi ko kanina na spark plug, I think kailangan lang merong at least isang mag-step up dito sa AAC para medyo ganahan pa sila ng onte.
Perez.
Yan. On point. Sabi ni Perez, siya na daw.
10 points in the match for Joy Perez.
Fabian Ramos now serving for EAC.
Good pass. Nice set.
Tudlasan.
Good
Goodbye.
execution. Perfect play. Yun lang masasabi ko doon. Good pass, good set,
Substitution for
good swing.
Number
Point.
30, Kay Maluwang out. Number 8, Nicole Kagikla A. Nicole Kagikla now serving for the Lady Chiefs.
Kagikla.
Nice serve.
Sayago rises up. Tira-tira on the drop. Perez was there. Perez will swing. Tudlasan.
Ooh,
And Tudlasan scores.
Tudlasan. Happy with that point.
Substitution for Arellano. Number 15, Santo Masing out. Number 11, Kay Abiglia A. The Arellano
Napapalakpak siya sa point na
are
yun.
at match point.
Arellano is at match point.
Match point.
Isa na lang. Yun ang sinisigaw ng Arellano faithful ngayon.
Toriano.
Pero sabi ni AAC
Substitution for AC. Number 6,
and Toriado, not yet.
number 3, George.
Not just yet.
Number 2, Natikilia out. Number 7, Karantayanan A.
May kilala pa akong nanalo sa ganyan. Based on experience.
Cafe tossing it up. And that rookie-to-rookie connection does the job. Sheena Cafe to Kay Abitria for the win. And the Arellano fans are loving it. A straight sets win for Arellano University, 25-19, 25-21, 25-18. player of the match is none other than the rookie, Chris Servidad, 16 points. When the Arellano fans heard her name in the player introductions, they cheered so loud. That was a sign
Yes.
na maganda pala ang ilalaro nitong si Chris.
And nakita mo naman siya talaga yung go-to ng setter natin dito sa may Arellano na si Dumasig. And di naman sa pag-ano, nag-execute naman talaga si Servidad. So deserve niya ang ating player of the game for this match.
Yep, definitely delivered. The future is bright for this Arellano rookie. And
So
Arellano
young.
wins over EAC in straight sets, 25-19, 25-21, 25-18. We will take a break and be back with our post-match coverage here on GTV and Heart of Asia.